Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a template from a project. Let's say you have a template that you really like for one project and you want to be able to send it to everybody else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of my available projects from my main project screen here. In this case, I'm going to select the basic sample project. I'm going to click on the check mark. It's going to bring up a menu in the middle of the bottom of my screen here. You can see I have three options: delete, edit, and export. Now, this may surprise you again, but I'm going to select the export option as I want to export a template. And you can see I've got three options here: project, template, and data. In this case, I want to select the template option. That's going to open up my export menu here. And in this case, I'm going to rename my project basic sample project underscore template to let me know that it is the template of the project here. I'm then going to hit enter to save it. I'm going to be taken back to my map screen, and I have successfully exported a template from Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.